Where is it? Hello, meet again. My name is Dimas. Today I want to talk about one of the things that I'm doing on this channel, which is starting. You know what? I'm starting making some creations for Yujo and Kaju. So this is actually video for Yujo and Kaju in the future, that it will be, you know, like one of the memory that I think it will be cool. So what I'm doing right now, so I want to tell about what's actually the new things that we built. You know what? We built a rocket. And this is one of the things that nowadays I think it's give more fun for me as a parent instead of them, but they are also very happy. So we built basically a rocket from a cardboard, and this is very simple because basically you just need to find well proper boards, which is, I would say, not that, you know, so huge but also not so small. The most important thing is this cardboard supposed to be able, like, supposed to be, you know, like a vehicle so kids can go directly and enjoy, because, well, basically that's the point. Like, being a kid, you always can use your imaginations, and here by having imagination means you have to help your kid to jump inside. So, well, how it looks like. So I have a lot of interesting stuff here, and what's things that it's need to be, that you need to have as the first thing. Let's see our and it's turned out it's very helpful to have all the tools. I don't know how we call it, but this is a glue that like getting warm when you're warming it up, and this is actually one of the investment that I think it will be worth invested and well paid, because then this will really help you making cardboard. It will stick really well the board. And the other thing is also like this warmer of the glue. So this is something that, you know, help you, well, basically to glue stuff, which is the glue itself, like, I don't know, like the pistol to make the temperature become quite warm, and it will help you to warm the glue. And so what's the thing? The first thing, basically, of course, you need to have a board. I try to find it on my basement to find like what type of board that is still there, and I think it would be, you know, like something that this type of fun activity is, you don't have to pay a lot for these toys, so find any board. The other thing is also, like, the most important is having like well structured design and plan, and this is not something that you should make it in the way that it has to be you know, sophisticated. The first beginning is also just created, so it has to be a box that, you know, like kind of box that will be in the rectangle and a cube, and then you put, the most important is like the wings here and also the top here, and then make a hole and the kids can jump in, and yeah, it's fun. And also, to make it much more fun, me and my wife, we also put some aluminum foil on it and wrap it, and yeah, it's turned out it's super cool and kids really like it. So it's one of the activity that I think very cool, and I would like to continue in the future. So yeah, so it's giving like a conclusion is like, when the kids, they growing up, they for sure will ask to, you know, like to parents, what actually cool things that your parent did for you when you're small. And well, at least if one of them, the checklist is related with making a rocket, a cardboard, then you've done it, you created, and it's so cool. So yeah, I recommend that. Okay, so let's see how it looks like, how it's when it's done, and we'll continue with another cardboard. Okay, thank you. So that's for Philox Kids TV for today, and see you on other video. Thank you.